Hi, Joseph. My name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So, in this video, we'll go over a few specifics on how to rank your site and how to beat your competition online. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Our content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text within your images, and whatever images are saved as. And to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page and want that to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at keyword phrases like electrician, Baton Rouge, LA, Baton Rouge electrician, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website is the one that pops up. Taking a quick look at your website, really like how clean and professional it is. You obviously use the Google website service to create this profile, so it does keep things very neat and professional. I do like how you have some internal linking here, where if you click on these different links, it'll take you to another page on your website or another spot on your website. And then I really like how you included the gallery here at the bottom to show your different projects and different things that you've completed. Now, something that I would highly suggest, first off, is you definitely going to want more content on your homepage. Right now, I'm clocking at about 475 words using my word counter. And so you'd want to get that up to around the 1,500 to 2,000 mark. And what that does, it allows you to include more keywords throughout your web page. You want to shoot for about one keyword per 100 to 150 words of content. So you'll get about 15 keywords or so, or keyword phrases. The next thing I would say is that you definitely want to have a clear listing of your services here on the homepage. That way, when people come to it, they'll know exactly the type of services that you're offering. And then what I would do further is I would go ahead and create a separate page. And I don't know if you can do that on the Google business sites, if they allow you to create separate pages. I see up here you have this kind of menu option, but that just takes you to a different spot on the page. So not sure if they allow you to create separate pages, but I would definitely do that for your specific services. That way, what you can do is you can tailor each of those pages to your specific service and try to rank for that. So including keywords on that and building content around it. That way you can have those pages show up on Google searches as well, so you're not missing any volume on people searching. And we suggest those service pages be about 500 words of content, again, getting you about 5 keyword phrases. Well, last thing I would say here, as far as the website goes, definitely try to include some customer testimonials if you have any, or have any awards from Home Advisor or Yelp or anything like that. Just because those kind of credentials and things build trust with the visitors to your site. Next thing I want to go over is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be a popularity contest based on how many websites are pointing back at you and mentioning you on their website. So not all backlinks are created equal. You'll gain a lot more influence and power from a backlink that's related to your industry. For example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services. Something specific to the services that you offer. You're going to get a lot more influence and power from one of those backlinks as opposed to from your local Domino's pizza. A tool we use to measure backlinks and the quality of backlinks, as well as traffic to your website, is called Ahrefs. And as you can see here, it wasn't returning any data for backlinks or domains, which is just the specific websites that are pointing back at you. Zero traffic, and this is on a monthly basis, so getting little to no traffic to the actual website. I did want to show you what your competitors are doing. Your top one in the Baton Rouge area is going to be Mr. Electric, which I'm sure you've heard of. As you can see here, they have 43 backlinks from 15 different websites. And what that does is it pushes them up in the search rankings and generates about 106 people going to their website on a monthly basis. There's actually way more than that as far as volume goes from the research that I've done for electricians in Baton Rouge. So there are a lot of people out there searching for your services. It's just a matter of tailoring your website to be trustworthy with Google and to pop up whenever people type in certain keyword searches. And we'd be happy to go further into that if you'd like more details. Last thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called citations. Citations are very important because whenever someone goes to search something on Google, they'll type it in and they'll likely pick one of the first ones that pops up. So just to be relevant, we'll do electrician Baton Rouge, LA. And first thing you'll notice here is the ads that pop up at the top. Next thing that you'll see takes up quite a bit of real estate here on the front page is called a Google Map Pack. And the way to get into this is by acquiring citations. And all that is the name, address, and phone number of your business on the different directories on the web, online, sorry. So that's going to be Yelp, Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages, House, Porch. There's hundreds of them out there. And it's just the more of those that you have, the higher you will rank here. That is literally the only thing. People will 70% of the people that end up clicking within this end up picking the top spot, and so it's very important to try to get to that top position. And so a strategy that we employ for all of our clients is we just take a look using Ahrefs and a couple other tools to see what backlinks and citations they have. We go in, we replicate them, and then we add a 20 to 30% cushion of high quality backlinks and citations to make sure that we stay on top, and then you just keep on adding them over time. And usually by that point, the competition is too far behind to realize what's happened and they can't catch up. So it's just maintenance at that point to make sure you stay on top, and then you'll be getting all that volume and potential customers. So we would love to discuss it with you further. If you have any questions, feel free to give Megan a call back. Her number's listed in the email that you clicked on the link for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something today. Thank you.